Hi and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Molly and today I'm going to be ruining my hair. Woohoo! Round of applause for me. Today's video, Molly ruining her hair just like the whole of the UK population. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new here, like the video and comment. So basically I'm going to be dyeing my hair. Not all of it, I'm just going to dye the front bits of my hair blonde. So I'm going to go buy some bleach, hair dye and toner. And my camera's about to die. Fuck. I'm going to go shopping. I have other shopping to do, so don't scream at me. This is literally the 6th time I've tried to put this mount thing there, so I'm praying that it stays there. And apparently it's illegal to have something like there. We'll soon find out, won't we? Right, so we're going to the shoppy shops. And I'm kind of really scared because what if my hair like goes yellow? It's not okay because I can just dye it back black if it goes really wrong. Yes, I knew that was going to happen. Oh my god, why won't it focus? I'm really scared. Right, so it's like 7 hours later. This like remover doesn't have bleach in it or something, but it's meant to like take the colour properly out of your hair. And then I'm going to dye it blonde basically, and then I'm going to use a toner to make it lighter. And like I just really feel like it's not going to work, but if it doesn't work I will probably cry. Oh my god, why does it say my camera's going to die again? Like I've literally had it on charge all day. I don't have to do 2 sides or 1 side. I really don't know what that noise is if you can hear it. Okay, this is really stressing me out. Is that like equal? I really can't tell. If my camera dies, I'm gonna be really angry. I think that's even. I'm really scared. Let's call my friends and ask.
That looks like a sensible amount.
Okay. I just needed everyone's opinion, but no one's answering. My camera just died, and that's not fun. Oh, that's not fun either. These bits of my hair are shorter than my whole hair because obviously I have hair extensions, but I can't dye the hair extensions, so I don't really know what to do, and now I'm really scared. So pour bottle A into bottle B and shake vigorously for a minute. Oh no, no, why did it have to overflow on me? God save me. The Queen is also about to make an announcement and I'd really love to watch it, but it's time to turn into an ego. Shake vigorously for a minute. Do you think that's shaken vigorously enough? Sent out immediately, I'm scared. I can't believe I'm doing this. Oh god. Please work. Please God. Fuck. Now I've got to put this in cling film. Watching that back was probably the most painful thing I've ever had to watch. What is wrong with me? I don't think this is going to work if I'm actually being truthfully honest with you guys. That did nothing apart from make my roots like ginger. So I'm just going to put this blonde dye on it and see what happens. Stinging my eyes so bad. It's now day 2. As you can see, my hair has gone wrong. It's now Monday, yesterday was Sunday, and I gave up last night because this is what my hair turned out like. I went and brought bleach. So I'm hoping that it will go well now. Honestly, last night I spent like 5 hours trying to make it right and it just made it worse. Oh god. Why are there gloves on the instructions? Like there's gloves here and then there's like gloves in the instructions, so like why is that a thing? I think I'm gonna bleach a bit more than this, like maybe a bit longer, maybe like that much. I'm gonna dye this much of my hair. I need to put gloves on. Oh, what? That's not gloves. I am confused. Why are the gloves like on the page? Oh, take them off. That makes so much sense. Oh my god. Right, so basically it is the day after yesterday and I still have orange hair because the bleach did not work. The bleach just made my hair literally fall out. So I'm now gonna dye it brown. My hair is literally gonna fall out. Like I slept with coconut oil in it last night, so I need to wash that out and it's literally awful. I got some of the bleach like here on my hair, so I now have like a bit there that's a different colour. Honestly, I am a mess. Oh my god, I just realised I wasn't recording for that whole time and I was just stood here talking to myself. Basically now I'm just putting the brown dye on my hair, so yeah. Who wants to bet that this is gonna go wrong? It's just hair dye everywhere. Oh my god, I hate myself. Why am I such a twat? Oh fuck. How do you get hair dye out of things then? Right, so I have just rinsed my hair and it's kind of alright. It looks a bit weird, but I'm gonna dry it and see what it looks like. But you know, here we are to messing our hair up. Right, so this is how my hair's turned out. I'm actually really happy with it, to be fair. Like, I can't believe how bad it was. Like, it was so orange and I don't even know how it's got like this because I actually really like it. That whole process was so stressful. Like, I'm not even joking, this has taken me 4 days. No, 3 days. 3 days I spent on my hair. I forgot to film an outro, so thanks for watching and peace out.